Political uncertainty has intensified in Tamil Nadu after Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar declined TVK chief Vijay's claim to form the government, stating that the party had not established majority support in the assembly. Vijay met the governor at Lok Bhavan for the second time in 24 hours. In a statement, Raj Bhavan said the governor informed Vijay that the numbers required to form the government had not yet been demonstrated. TVK emerged as the single largest party in the April 23rd assembly election. TVK won 108 seats in the 234-member house but remained short of the majority mark of 118. Congress with 5 MLAs extended support to Vijay, taking the tally to 113. TVK has now stepped up efforts to secure backing from the left parties, VCK and the IUML. Party leaders met CPIM and other alliance leaders seeking support. VCK chief Thol Thirumavallan said the party would take a decision after discussions with left parties. He also criticized the governor's stand, arguing that constitutional practice requires the single largest party to be invited to prove its majority on the floor of the House. The Congress and left parties also questioned the governor's decision. Tamil Nadu Congress Committee announced statewide protests against the governor and the BJP-led centre. All eyes are now on the VCK and left parties, which are expected to take a final call on supporting Vijay today.